Hey guys, my name is Marshall, and today I'm going to show you all about these carabiners. They're 4.2 inch carabiners, half inch wide, I think, and it says 2,500 pound capacity. So here's my problem. I'm hanging up a sunshade, and look what the heck happened. So that's my problem, and I'll show you what I had. Look. I had this big old thick cable that I got, and then look at that. I was using this carabiner. That's nothing. That thing busted in like 2 seconds. The wind came up, and I'm like, oh. All right, so here's the weakest link. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using these carabiners. Look at how fat and meaty these things are. Or not carabiners, they're like chain links or whatever. But they are fat and strong. I'm going to be putting up this canopy with these. Might be a little bit overkill, but I don't care because I don't want this thing falling down again. I'm tired of messing with this thing. So I got the 12 pack of these carabiners. This is what they look like. They just spin closed. Let me close one for you. All right, so this is what they look like closed. And so you just tighten them up and boom, it's going to work just as good as a chain link. So, you can use this on large chains or, whatever you want to use it on, but it's definitely going to last a long time, and it's got a huge, strength to it. So if you guys are in the market for some, chain link, connections like this, go ahead and get it. You're going to love it.